Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can cancel an Uber Eats order. So then to cancel an order, first thing, launch your application, or you can also log in from your web browser. On the web address bar, you need to type in ubereats.com. After that, make sure that you're already logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. On this page, click on the tab bar icon located in the upper left corner. It's going to direct you to the menu page. So from the list, go ahead and tap on orders. Right over here, you'll be able to see all of your orders. Now, if you're fortunate enough, then you'll be able to find a cancel button. Otherwise, you'll have to pay a certain amount if the product is already ready and is soon to be delivered. So you'll be charged with a fine if you want to cancel the product, if you do it late, if the item has not been cooked yet or it has not been delivered. Then you'll be able to make changes or maybe cancel your order. In this way, you can cancel an Uber Eats order on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.